The last light of day softens on the balcony. It paints the wall with a gentle gold. It is a time of day we know well. The sounds of the world begin to recede. They leave behind a much quieter hum. Perhaps you are sitting, as I often do, feeling the air cool against your skin, a silent witness to the dusk. A soft scrape of a chair on concrete, a hand reaches out to a terracotta pot, finding the cool and worn outer rim. It is just one pot in a corner, holding something green and unassuming. An unspoken feeling drifts through the air, a whisper that does not form words. I do not need very much. I just want the days to be noticed. Do you ever feel that way? The evenings stretch a little too long. The home feels a little too silent. Small efforts seem to vanish unacknowledged. It is a gentle conflict, is it not? Tiny spaces we inhabit may not matter. Is a balcony too small for a connection? Does anyone see this tiny effort? Does this work truly ripple outwards? It is a tender, shared vulnerability. Hopes can feel confined by small boundaries. That is why we are here together. I am here beside you this evening. I am not above you, but beside you. I am another soul seeking quiet solace. Truths reveal themselves in unlikely places. This pot is more than a home. It becomes a daily, living witness. It is an echo of our own days, reflecting light and shadow within us. It only asks for a steady presence. I believe that is a profound gift. Bringing a plant to a small space. There is hope mixed with cautious doubt. We want something that will truly thrive. We look for a resilient companion, a sturdy rosemary with a fragrant greeting, a pelargonium with bursts of simple color, or a robust mint with invigorating scent. Choosing is about choosing hope, giving yourself permission to try. It is an act of gentle courage, inviting new life into your own. The feel of fresh potting mix, cool and earthy between your fingers. Careful cradling of the young plant, easing it into its new home. There is intimacy in this humble act, tucking in a small, sleeping creature. And then, you simply wait. A soft and patient observation, a silent reassurance that it is settling. Then, a tiny and wonderful shift. A new leaf unfurls with determination. A tender green curl is now present, an invitation to pause and acknowledge. The sun dances across your balcony. The light changes every single hour. Notice how the morning sun spills over, catching the dew like tiny jewels. The afternoon sun casts longer shadows, softening again as evening draws near. Learning the language of the light. A silent negotiation with the elements. Gentle attention to a growing companion. A shared understanding that deepens daily. The day now has texture and meaning. The rhythm of watering is a ritual. A finger in the soil tells a story. Dry, dusty topsoil is a gentle plea. Cool, damp earth is a soft sigh. A slight wilting is a mute request. The sound of a gentle water sprinkle. A rich, earthy scent rises up, a fragrance of life and nourishment, a living breath from the damp earth. A curiosity drawing you deeper. This small ritual anchors you now. This tending weaves into your day. It is a brief and grounding pause. The plant grows with a quiet confidence. The leaves become fuller and stronger. The plant leans toward the rising sun, a subtle tilt to greet the day. Life's persistent yearning for the light, a shared purpose and belonging. The plant is reaching out, a journey of companionship and care, watching the world soften around us. Through the tentative beginnings of life, through the shifting light of a season, a sense of calm settles over us, being present with small wonders. Consider joining me again next week. Another shared breath in the slow garden, strength and comfort in these rhythms. A small bud, a promise of color. A new branch reaches a new direction, a testament to persistence and care. A small burst of quiet joy. Life finds a way in small spaces, creating an environment to flourish. A part of us flourishes too. Consistent attention is a meditation, grounding us in the living moment. We think we need vast landscapes. The pot reminds us of presence. Connections emerge from small acts. The quiet hum of a morning check. The deliberate pour of evening water. An anchor when life feels chaotic. We are capable of fostering growth, something vital to offer and receive. The light shifts once more toward autumn. The plant remains a steady presence. A long arc from sapling to companion. A gentle whisper growing louder. Tending one thing makes home feel inhabited. A tangible thread to the story of life. A quiet heartbeat in your personal space. A persistent and verdant companionship. A chronicle of light and shadow. Life unfolds in the modest corners. Truly noticing is a profound act, connecting us to the flow of nature. Just a few inches of balcony soil. A gentle anchor in something persistent. The night air settles around us, lingering warmth on the pot's surface. Faint rustle of leaves in the breeze. A green heart beating in your space. Small spaces still deserve gentleness. Small efforts hold immense meaning. Care can make a world feel inhabited. In tending, we find the greatest solace. Quiet companions teach us to be present. May your corner bring you peace.